Hey guys, it's me, Kylie, and I am back with another unboxing. I am so excited for this item today. As you guys know, I got my Louis Vuitton bag for Christmas for my husband and my kids, and I am absolutely loving that bag. And I just had to snag a little SLG, which is a small leather good, to go with it because I'm so loving it and thrilled with it and excited to have a little mini collection going on for my Louis Vuitton now. So this is just a quick unboxing. I literally just got it. Here's the box it came in, and so it's small. I'm wondering if you guys can guess what it is that I purchased. Here's the inside of the box and the packaging, and it looks like so here it looks like this is the receipt, and you're gonna have to excuse my hair because it's being super crazy today. So yeah, this is the receipt with all that information inside. I just love this packaging. It is so gorgeous. Anyways, moving on. Here's the box. It's beautiful. They gave me the holiday ribbon, which is gold, and normally it's the same blue as like the handles of the bags, which I didn't get a bag because I ordered this online, so that kind of stinks, but I'm still super excited. And it looks like, let's see what's in here. So I'm just gonna open it up. And this is a drawer, but I want to see what this is first. Oh, you know what this is if you are giving this as a gift or sending a little note to yourself, you just write it right in here. So that's what that little thing is. So I really don't need to take the ribbon off this, but I'm going to. And here's the box. It's the drawer box that I think most of the small leather goods come in. And have you guys guessed it yet? Here's the dust bag. This dust bag is adorable. It's so little and cute. And dun 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 dun, it's here. I'm so excited, you guys. I have been watching YouTube videos like crazy about Louis Vuitton's small leather goods, and I knew I wanted to start with a couple of pieces that were super versatile, super you know, honestly inexpensive. Like, this was for Louis Vuitton, very inexpensive, and there's so many ways I can use this. So you know, and just a couple pieces that would kind of go with anything. I could use them every day, and so I'm thrilled to have this to go with my bag. This is the key pouch, or key clay, in monogram, and I'm going to zoom in so you can see it. It is a beauty, you guys. Absolutely gorgeous. There you can see where it matches up, and hopefully you can see that. Then it's got the little golden brass hardware with the LVs on it. I hope that's focusing. It's kind of hard because my light. But anyways, it's got the beautiful zipper, and then inside you get this little key ring, the clasp for that to put your keys on, and it does have the embossed LV logo there as well on both sides. And it's just like the perfect, I feel like, little, everybody's been saying it's the perfect starter piece. Here is the little material information. But everybody's been saying this is such a great starter piece, and luckily enough, I got a bag first before I got a small leather goods. But I wanted to have something to go with it. I can use this as a you know, charm on my bag. I plan on, for now, putting possibly my keys. We'll see. There's a couple other things I'm eyeing as well for the future, hopefully. I can put my keys in here. I also thought I may use it as a little mini wallet. So I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do with this yet, but I was so excited when the UPS man came today, and I was like, oh, it's here. So I had to jump on really quick and get this video taped for you guys. So there it is, my key clay or key pouch from Louis Vuitton in the monogram. I am in love, and I am going to go start using this right now. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not already subscribed and you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button. Also give it a thumbs up if you like the video, and I will see you guys at the next video. This is Kylie. Bye.